Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss one of the most important creative questions for the students of class 9 and 10, which is from Higher Mathematics exercise 1.2, and this is the last question number 17. In our previous content we have done number 1 to number 16, and so this is one of the most important question, which there are three different requirements: domain, one functions, and identify inverse function, inverse relation will be a functions or not with the help of graph. Okay, dear students, give attention to the question number 1. First, A. Find the domain. F of x equal root over x minus 4. Before doing this one, just give attention. Root over any positive number like 2, root over any negative number like minus 2, root over 0, which give you the numerical value. This one will be 1 point something, this one will be complex number or imaginary number, this one will be 0. So in the square root, only two cases when this one is positive and 0, positive and 0, then we get some numerical value. But inside the root, when you see this one is negative, so this one always gives the complex number. So in a real number we get only two times, only we get value when this is positive and 0. So we can write here is belongs to R if and only if x minus 4 is greater than, that is positive 0 and equal 0, positive and equal 0, and this is the domain. Now do simple calculation here. Or x is greater than or equal 4, so domain will be dom f of x equal x belongs to R and x is greater than or equal 4, and this is the domain. Now we'll do second question, one function. Number B. Already we have done these types of questions in our previous content. Number B. One functions. So let x1 and x2 are two elements of domain. Now, f of x1 equal f of x2 is the elements of R if and only if root over x1 minus 4 equal root over x2 minus 4. Just apply here the domain x1 first times, then x2 second times, squaring on the both side. Now eliminating both is square and root, you will get x1 minus 4, x2 minus 4. Doing simple calculation, you will get x1 equal x2, which indicate f of x is one function, and this is shown. And now give attention, third questions. The determine whether f inverse x is a function with the help of graph. So here given f of x, first you have to find the f inverse x, that is inverse function. Then draw the graph. With the help of graph you have to identify is it function or not. Okay, first find inverse function. Question number C. Let y equal f of x root over x minus 4. So we can write here f of x equal y, or x equal f inverse y. Again, root over x minus 4 equal y, or x minus 4 equal y square, squaring on the both side, or x will be y square plus 4. Now what is the value of x? F inverse y equal y square plus 4. Or now changing the variable, changing y to x, we will get here f inverse x equal x square plus 4. So this is the inverse function. First step we have done right. Now we will find different values of f inverse x for applying the corresponding value of x. Now give attention to the second part. We are going to draw a graph here. Find the corresponding value of f inverse x for different value of x. This is x and this is f inverse x. Just we are applying here plus minus 3. This one will be, when x is plus minus 3, this one will be f inverse x will be plus minus 3 square plus 4, that is 9 plus 4 equal 13, and this one is 13. Now apply plus minus 2. If we apply here plus minus 2, this one will be 4 plus 4 equal 8, plus 8. If we apply here plus minus 1, there will be 1 plus 4 equal 5. This one will be 5. If we apply here 0, this one will be 4. Now considering all points as a L, plus minus 3 13, minus 2 8, minus 1 5, 0 4, then plus 3, then minus 1 5, minus 2 8, minus 3 13. Plotting all points in graph paper and joining them, we get graph of f inverse x. And considering one square unit of the length of one square is 1 unit. Considering in both axes length of 1 square is equal 1 unit. Okay, now we will draw the graph. First draw here. This is x-axis, the positive side of x. This is positive side of y. This indicates negative side of x, negative side of y. The intercepting point is 0. considering here 1, 2, 3, like here 1, 2, 3. Maximum value of y is 13. So we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. And this is the y-axis. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, just so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or no need to write here. Now apply all point. Minus 3, 13. 1, 2, 3, minus 3 and 13. This one. Minus 2, 8. Minus 2, 8. 1, 2, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 2, 8 here. Another one. Minus 1, 5. Minus 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, 5. Another one. 0, 4. When x is 0, y will be 4. This one. And then now minus, oh sorry, we applied already minus value, so this one will be plus 1, 2, 3. Minus 3, 13, plus 3, 13. Minus 2, 8, plus 2, 8. Minus 1, 5, plus 1, 5. So this one is plus 1, 5. Then plus 2, 8. Then plus 3, 13. This one. Now joining one by one, we will get this equation. So we can write here, this is the graph of f inverse x equal x square plus 4. Now determine the way that the function f inverse x is a function. So just now identify, is it function or not? In our previous classes we have discussed these types of questions. And just give attention, how many intersecting points you get here? 0, 4. Y-axis and graph, how many intersecting points? Only 1. So if we get only one intersecting points between y-axis and the graph or relation, this indicates this graph will be a function. Or if we draw a parallel line with y-axis, how many intersecting points we get here? Only 1. And if we draw a right side parallel line with y-axis, we get also one single point of intersecting points. So this indicates the graph is a function. So now you have to write this content after this one. Here we see y-axis intersect at intersect the graph at the point 0, 4 only, which indicate f inverse x equal x square plus 4 is a function. So basically function always depend the parallel line of y-axis or y-axis. Just you can take the decision when you see only, like if the functions put like this, just absent of this one, and how many intersecting points? 2. Definitely this one will not be function. If the function would be like this, only one intersecting point of y-axis, and this one will be function. So thank you very much to enjoy this tutorial. If you have any question, please do comments So in our content we have done the exercise 1.2 from question number 1 to question number 17. So today this is the last class. In our next class we will discuss basically which types of question usually comes in the board standard exams, and we will review our test questions from the different schools and the board questions from our test paper. Okay, thank you very much to enjoy this tutorial. Hope see you again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.